Hey everyone, my name is Mike Mello. I'm a broker associate and co-owner at Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Today we're in the Sarasota, Bradenton area, which is on the west coast of Florida, and we're actually in a community called Windward, which is in Lakewood Ranch. We're going to show you this home behind me, which is called the Dream Home. It is built by Neal Communities. It actually has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's 1,859 square feet of living, and the base price at time of filming, we're in August of 2022, it's gonna be $563,990. So let's go ahead and take the tour of the exterior of the home and then actually go in the home and take you on a walkthrough of the home. So as we come in, of course, we have our 2-car garage here. We have all this really nice tropical landscaping in the front, which they will take out once they sell the model. And remember, the model does have tons of upgrades in it. And then of course they'll put a driveway in. We have some really nice wood planking here on the front, and of course stucco going throughout. And then we come over and we actually have a front porch on this specific community, so this specific home. And of course we have a covered area and like a little area over here where you can actually sit and enjoy the Florida weather behind all this really cool tropical landscaping. We do have a door here. The door has a really nice window. So let's go ahead and go inside and check out this home. All right, so welcome into this home. So as I come in, the first thing I notice is that they do have some nice upgraded tile throughout here and the hallways and entryway. Over here to my left is going to be the office. So the office has some nice French doors that will come in through the office, and then of course we have a nice little space here. They have it to where you can have a little sitting area here, get some work done, and then of course a couple little chairs here too to also relax, maybe read some books. So that's pretty nice here right in the front of the house. As we go over to this direction here, we do have this little drop zone where you can store some shoes and stuff, and that's because the garage, the 2-car garage is right here. Of course, they have some nice epoxy floors there on that 2-car garage. So let's go ahead and shut that door, head down the hallway. As you can see, that tile goes all the way through to the back of the home. So let's go ahead and go left and show you the laundry room. So they have some nice upgraded cabinets in here, of course, nice countertop and laundry sink. And of course we have our washer dryer, some nice cabinets, a little window here for some natural light. And then we have the wallpaper that they've added all the way throughout this laundry room as well. So let's go ahead and head over to the other side over here. This is the air handler. And then we have bedroom number 2. Currently has a queen size bed, a couple little end tables, a little window over there. And then this one does have a nice walk-in closet with a bunch of unicorns in it, as you can see. So let's go ahead, go this direction. This is a linen closet. And then we do have a full bathroom here. So as we come into the full bathroom, we see that we do have that nice white cabinets, a really cool gray color countertop and the sink, mirror, light fixture, cool wallpaper all the way throughout. And this one does have that same sort of window here for some natural light, but it's pretty high for privacy as well. Then on this side, we do have a tub with some subway tiles going up, and then you see the wallpaper above that also. So as I go here, we have, this will be bedroom number 3, currently used as an exercise room. I like how they did the actual paint here where it has like that pink color, gray, and then it goes into white, which is really neat. Have a window over here, and then through here we do have a closet, so another walk-in closet. So it's nice for a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, have a couple walk-in closets. Pretty nice little feature there as well. So let's go ahead and go back through and we'll go to the main living area. So as I come through here, we'll pause for 1 second. If I can have Haley, who's working our camera today, to pause, I can show you what's really neat is they have some built-in bookshelves. Haley, who's my daughter and does all the filming for us here, she loves reading books. So this is her favorite area. She said that she had actually put extra shelves in here so she could fit all her book collection. So anyway, come this direction, we'll go into the main living area. The first thing we have over here to the right is a dining room, currently set up for 6 people to sit around. They have some nice color wallpaper that sort of matches the actual plating that we see here on the actual table. What's really cool about checking out model homes is the interior design work on it. And if you're watching this, make sure you like and subscribe if you're thinking about getting good ideas for your house, not only just buying or selling houses here. It gives you some great ideas for your homes as well. So here we go into the kitchen. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is the center island. The center island is a nice solid surface countertop, some nice cabinet work all the way around. And we have 2 pendant lights here. We can easily fit 3 to 4 seats here as well if you wanted to eat your breakfast or dinner here. And then over here we do see we have our refrigerator, side-by-side refrigerator, plenty of cabinet work, beautiful crown molding as well on the cabinets. And then of course we do have our pantry with some nice upgraded wood shelves as well. Looks like they have a chocolate, someone here has a sweet tooth because they got lots of chocolate there in that pantry. So as we come through, we see that the cabinet work and countertops go through, and then this backsplash, which is like sort of 3-dimensional, pops out. We've seen this in some of the really high-end luxury homes as well as we filmed around the state of Florida. And if you are looking for luxury homes, we do have a luxury home channel as well that we'll post below in the video description. Also, this is a gas community, so this has got a 4 gas stovetop gas burners, and then of course your oven, microwave that does vent out as well. Then on this side, we do have our dishwasher and a sink that has the two sides of the sink as well. So follow me this direction. We'll go into the family room. Nice sized family room. You can sit here, relax, and enjoy the Florida lifestyle. Nice couch and sitting area. Of course, your TV. This one does have a tray ceiling with some crown molding around it and some recessed lights. And of course, it goes right out to the actual patio, which we'll take you out there in a little bit. But as you can see, the sliding glass door can open all the way up and actually hide right behind the wall, which is really neat. So follow me this way. We're going to the primary bedroom suite. So nice spacious size here. I think this is a really big primary bedroom for this size house, for a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. Of course, we have our king size bed. We have the windows looking out the beautiful lake view out there. And of course, that's more of a pond view out there. But then we also have our end table on either side. And then we do have our closets. So the closets here, the people here are definitely into exercising because they have all this exercise athletic wear in every single closet. So, and then of course, we go over to our right, and this will be the actual primary bathroom. So as we come through here, it goes, transitions back into the ceramic tile. We have our linen closet. And of course, we have nice gray cabinets, countertops, dual sinks, nice big mirror with a couple light fixtures, and then of course the shower. Shower has this frameless glass around it. And of course, as I step in, it has some really nice, beautiful square tiles, and then that goes really well with the actual tile work that goes all the way up to the ceiling. So that's really neat. So right next to this is going to be the water closet. So it's coming here, nice water closet, and that wallpaper that we saw in the actual closet, or in the actual bathroom, goes throughout the water closet as well. And then the next stop is the second closet. So we have 2 closets here. I guess they put all their fancy clothes in here and all their athletic clothes in the other one. So follow me this direction. If you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe to our videos if you enjoy watching and seeing model homes, design ideas, or if you're looking to buy or sell anywhere in Florida, make sure you give us a call. I have team members throughout the state of Florida. They're extremely knowledgeable and experienced in helping people with their real estate needs. So here we are. This is the outdoor living area. We have a covered section here. So if you want some shade, you can sit here and enjoy the Florida weather. Or if you wanted to go out here and get like a little suntan, you can do that as well and come out. It is a little screened area. And of course, you see that beautiful pond behind us as well. So that's this home. I want to thank everyone for watching. Until next time, take care.